Hello all, in this video we'll be creating a new promotion in the merchandising application. I have logged in as a catalog manager and this is the main page of creating a promotion. Enter the promotion name. The catalog manager may write a description here which is related to the promotion itself. Then the catalog manager can define the activation period for which the promotion will be valid. I want my promotion to be active from the current time, that is now, and it should end at the last day of the January. In case the catalog manager wants to relate this promotion with codes, he may enter it here and can mention the use limit per code for the promotion. The promotion can be created either on the basis of the order or on product. Taking order-wise promotion first, the promotion which are applied on order has the eligibility criteria on the shopping cart amount which can be entered from here. I'm entering as 300 as the starting point for the shopping cart and $1,000 to be the ending rate to qualify for this promotion. On qualifying for the promotion, the customer will be given benefits which can be either the percentage discount, flat dollar discount, free gift with the order. At a time, only one benefit can be availed for a promotion. For this demo, I am giving a 5% flat discount on the order total. Click on Create button and the promotion has been created in the system successfully. The flag is active, description and activation periods are shown and the eligibility criteria are displayed. The user may edit the promotion by clicking on the Edit button. Here the name of the promotion, description of the promotion can be updated. As the promotion activation period has already been started, so we cannot change it, though we can alter the ending date. Let's check the impact of this promotion on the orders. We'll go to the CSR application for placing the order. Go to the menu item, select create order, select the customer, set the customer, add the item. Here we can see the order amount total is 30, which is not in the eligibility criteria range for the promotion, so no discount has been applied here. Now I'll raise it to 300 and as you can see a $15 amount has been provided as a discount, which is 5% of the subtotal here. Moving back to the promotion, catalog manager can deactivate a promotion by setting the ending date. Here we can select the end date of this promotion and click on Save button. The promotion has been updated successfully and the tag has been updated to finish. We will select the customer, set the customer for the order, again buying the same item. I'll be placing an order for 22 quantities. As we can see, there is no discount provided for this order because the promotion has already been finished. So this